So today in this video we're gonna see the concept regarding earthed cables and unearthed cables in the industries. So let's discuss regarding this. So first of all let's talk about the earthed cables. So earthed cables are for systems with grounded neutrals which uses less insulations as phase to earth voltage is lower. And here the lower voltage trace between the conductors and earth because the neutral is at 0 volts and lower insulation level is sufficient by making them more economical. So now let's talk about the unearthed cables. Unearthed cables are for the systems where the neutral point or star point is not grounded. So here during fault the healthy phases see voltage rise to the full phase to phase which requiring them to withstand high stress. So here more or high amount of insulation strength is required to prevent the puncture. So this is the basics regarding earthed and unearthed cable in the industries.